Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm doing an awesome review for you. The people at Bubbles and Books had sent me this lovely box, so I'm here to unbox it for you. If you don't know about Bubbles and Books, they have 2 subscriptions. It's a monthly subscription. They have a standard and a premium. With the standard, you get 1 new release paperback and 1 ebook download, and then 3 to 4 luxury bath and body items. So that's just for the standard box, which would cost you $27.99 for that standard box. So if you use my code Kristen, Kristin 10 reviews, and you'll get 10% off your first order. So that's awesome. I'll have that information down below. And they also have a premium box, which comes with 2 new release books, 1 ebook download, and 5 to 6 luxury bath and body lotion items. So that's awesome. And that's $44.95 a box. So what I have for you today is the standard box here. So I am going to open this for you. And within the box, you receive this card where it's Bubbles and Books Star Soakers Club, where you can, what you do is you use the stickers for each box, and then here you'll have different rewards that you can get for months 3 and 6. So that's really awesome. And you could send that in for some rewards. And then also, see, here's my sticker. That's great. So I'm gonna take that off and use it on my little card here. And then next they have this little paper here. I'm gonna read it for you. It says, once upon a time in a land not so far away, women made time to unwind, relax, regularly enjoy some much deserved pampering, which really we do when we work and moms and cleans houses. It's a lot. Maybe you think finding that kind of time for yourself in the modern days is only impossible with help from our fairy godmother and magical spells. Well, my beautiful princesses, consider this month's Bubbles and Box one of magic potions sent to you by our very own fairy godmother. Treat yourself like the royalty you are. Block off an hour or 2 of uninterrupted time to fully immerse yourself in the world of your new romance novel and contents of your magical potions mixed in your bathwater. We hope you are truly enchanted with this month's box, transported into a fairy tale world under the spell of relaxation, where you live happily ever after. So it gives you the download information to grab your romance ebook. So it gives you the different www.bubbles and books information down here. And then have you joined our Facebook group yet? And then that shows their Facebook information down here. So that's super cute. Okay, so let's look into the box. So in the box, this is what it looks like when you open it, and it had these papers on top. So we'll open the box and then remove the paper, and then this is what it looks like inside. So that's really awesome. And let's see what this first item is. So this is bathtub dust, bath bomb dust. Oh, that's cool. And it's fairy dust, and it's blue. And then it says, sprinkle into bathwater, relax, and the magical moisture, scent, and color sparkles. So it feels like there's pieces of stuff in here too, so I think that's really cool. It's kind of like sand. Feels like it's awesome. Okay, so next item is this princess crown. This is a bath bomb, and it says there's a princess toy inside. So I'm not sure what's inside that, so I guess that's kind of like mysterious, so you can see what's inside here. That's really awesome. Okay, then next is the Premium Bath Plum Sugar Plum Fairy. That smells amazing. Look how cute that is. I love that. Love bath bombs. Wow, that's really cute. Smells so good. Let's smell this one. You can't really smell it through the plastic, but it's so cute. All right, and then at the bottom of the box is my romance book that I had asked for. So you can ask for different kinds of books, but I decided I wanted a romance novel. So the one that I got is Seal's Honor. It's an Alaskan force novel, and it's really nice. So that's cool. So here it is. Okay, so that's everything in the box. And then they also have this really cool like paper here. But I think that's amazing for $27.99 a month. You get the book, the bath items, and that's great. Oh wait, I'm missing something. I apologize. Okay, so this is Bubbles and Books Fantasy Bubble Bath. Let's smell that. There's some plastic on it. I almost missed the item. But yeah, this is a great value. Let's smell it. That smells really good. See how cute that is? Really awesome. So guys, I'm gonna put all the information and all the links below. Like I said, use my code Kristin, Kristin 10 reviews for 10% off your first month. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.